Having trouble with a keyboard, Wi-Fi adapter, graphics card, or another device on your Windows PC? A device manager can help you find out what's going on. In this guide, I'll show you how to open Device Manager, check hardware, update drivers, troubleshoot errors, and safely reinstall a driver. First, right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. You can also search for Device Manager from the Start menu. Once it opens, you'll see your computer's hardware organized into categories. Expand a category by selecting the small arrow next to it. For example, Display Adapters shows graphics hardware, while Network Adapters contains your wired and wireless network devices. If a device has a yellow warning icon, that's a good place to start troubleshooting. Next, right-click a device and choose Properties. On the General tab, you can check its device status. The Driver tab also gives you options to update, roll back, or uninstall the driver. Yeah, this is one of the most useful areas in Device Manager. To update a driver, right-click the device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers, and Windows will look for a compatible driver. If Windows can't find one, check Windows Update or the hardware manufacturer's official website for the latest compatible version. If a device started acting up after a recent driver update, you may be able to roll it back. Open Properties, select the Driver tab, and choose Roll Back Driver when the option is available. This can help return the device to a previous working driver. For more serious driver problems, you can uninstall the device and let Windows reinstall it. Right-click the device, choose Uninstall Device, confirm the removal, and restart your PC. Windows will then attempt to reinstall the driver. If needed, you can also use Scan for hardware changes. If Device Manager shows an error code, open the device's properties and check device status. Codes can point to missing, corrupted, disabled, or incorrectly configured drivers, so use the exact code to guide your troubleshooting. And that's the basics of Device Manager. You can use it to identify hardware, manage drivers, and troubleshoot many common device problems. Just be careful when uninstalling or changing drivers, especially for critical hardware. So if this guide helped, keep it saved for the next time Windows gives you a hardware headache.